All right, we're at Winton. We are at Free Flow and we're gonna test the car. Hopefully we can just get some laps in. This is the first test, first set of tires. I don't care if there's problems, I just don't want huge problems. So I've just been nervous about the whole car. In my brain, and it's just gonna explode and fall apart and the wheels are gonna fall off. I don't know why, but it's all new, I just want to test it. So hopefully we just get some laps out. This is a very demanding track. A lot of cars do not make it through this track day. I've had really good track days here in this car, but we just want to get some laps in, put some revs through it and just find out any little problems we might have. That's it. Let's stop talking and let's start racing. I'm keen.
Nervous.
No, just have fun.
No, it's just the car. Hopefully it works. So, watch out.
Are you ready to go and have the best day ever?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
got dramas. There's oil all over my body, and it's all under the car. It's ran across the scuttle tray onto the exhaust. We also had a misfire, so we're going to suss that out. My main concern though is seeing smoke. So I saw a bit of smoke from the engine bay. It's actually from the catch can running across, which is good. The motor's not leaking. Probably turn the rev limiter down and I think lower the boost and see if that gets us through the day. And after being at GDR Festival, I noticed a lot of people haven't plumbed straight to the dry sump. So that might be the next best option because then we can't have this problem. We'll suss it out and hopefully get back out there. What's going on there? Why is there water in that cylinder? Alright, well that's why it's misfiring. Stop. Now, what's it doing?
Bang, 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 apparently.
Yeah, I went past Christina and it just went
Yeah,
fucking rapid. So I'm not sure once they go, but sometimes they go. Okay. JC's dodgy engine builds.
Torque settings, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
This is, dude.
That's a fucking shit alignment. Nah, you know what that is? That's spinning way too hard. That's fucking out of control.
Wait, Mr. Alignment guy, look at this. Fucking throwing shade in my direction.
That's not bad.
That's fine.
But that's also not the side that you're leaning on.
Yeah, but like,
good, man.
we're calling it a day. Honestly, the car's perfect. We've done 3 sets of tires. The motor's working good, everything's working good, but it is breathing too much out of this catch can. There is oil everywhere, like too much. It's on my shoe. So there's oil on the throttle pedal, there's oil on the window, there's oil on the guards, and we're gonna call it a day. It's running fine, it hasn't damaged anything, but I'm gonna replumb the catch can either to the dry sump tank or something, but this is just not good enough. As the grown-up version of myself, I'm not just gonna push the car till death. We're just gonna go home with a running car, and that's it. Well, thanks for watching. So we got finally some good track time.